Hi everyone, welcome to the class. In this class, we shall learn the proof of quotient rule of logarithms. What is quotient rule of logarithms? Logarithm of x by y to the base a is equal to logarithm of x base a minus logarithm of y base a. So here logarithm of this meaning of this one is logarithm of quotient of two numbers is equal to difference of the logarithm of the numbers when they are taken in the order. So here this is useful to find the quotient of two numbers. So how to prove this rule? Let us prove. So here let x comma y comma a be positive real numbers where x comma x greater than 0, y greater than 0, and a is not equal to 0 and a is not equal to 1. Then x a to the power of x is equal to m. Let x can be written as a to the power of m and y can be written as a to the power of n, where m comma n are real numbers are real numbers. M is not equal to 0, n is not equal to 0. Then we can write the logarithmic form of these numbers. Logarithmic forms. Here logarithm of x is equal to m when base a. Logarithm of x base a is equal to m. Here logarithm of y base a is equal to n. Let us give number 1 to this identity relation. Now divide these two numbers. We have taken x and y two numbers. Divide x by y. X to the power of x by y is equal to what is x? Here x is equal to a to the power of m and y is equal to a to the power of n. Now x by y is equal to, according to the laws of indices, a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. This is total. This is, number is total one number is the quotient. This number can be written as exponent of a. So this is called exponential form of x by y. Now let us convert this one into logarithmic form. So logarithm of x by y, this number with base a is equal to m minus n. Then what is m, what is n? We have to substitute here. Logarithm of x by y base a is equal to m means logarithm of m, logarithm of x base a, n means logarithm of y base a from 1. Just now we have done this. So in this way we can prove this quotient rule. What is the meaning of this quotient rule? Logarithm of quotient of two numbers is difference of the logarithms of the numbers when they have been taken in order. So we have to take the order, not log x minus log y. Here log x to the log x base a minus log y base a. In this way, we prove this rule and we use this rule to find the quotient of two numbers. Okay.